in front of me is VIVO V40 Lite, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. So at first open the settings, then find and select security right here, go to fingerprint, and at first to enter this panel you need to provide your pattern. So let me do it, and to start enrolling your fingerprint just mark start, and here you've got the sensor located on your power button, so just keep tapping till it's fully added. And once it is added here, just tap on done, and from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only, just like this. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.